Again, this is 11th treatment of Sir Sorbeto, no? So here, again, 1 year and 2 months, you cannot blame. May nanayayaw, no? Kaya di kita siya ka, nakaw, no? Again, the BP is 105.65.90, no? Pulse rate, yeah? Then, thank you, Philippines. Today, Manisha, no? 12:03.14 here, no? You're number 1 again, no? Philippines, then followed by Japan, then Singapore, Saudi Arabia, in Asia, yeah? Again, thank you for your support, yeah? Again, for the YouTube, thank you for your support, no? $10.32. Lahat po to sa Freedom, and then sa Freedom, I hope ipadala na siguro nila ang ilahang check, no? Kay maori ginagi paabot yung makastarta sa episode 3. Again, to you, Sir Richard Branson, this is the Galactic, yeah? Your and mine, no? Here, our own sponsor, the YouTube, Google, Facebook, and Freedom, and film sections, and Zoom in the TV. Here's Justin Bieber, yeah? This is the space, no? Space kuha niya nga port, no? Then kuha lagi nga nasa beach, no? Naapod pwede kay nasa CR, no? Again, this is Arwin, Sir Richard Branson. Thank you to the Virgin Media for the support to us, no? Again, we're Sinulog here, 2000, no? This is our 35th Sinulog Festival is coming, no? So, Viva Pichinyo, History of the Electronic Millennium, White Ricky ready for the year 3000. Tuwid na daan sa mabuting kalusugan. Arwin Argumentor, tambal dili tumaron, medicine tikin orally. So, much more fun here in Cebu, Philippines, yeah? Then here, si Pope Francis, yeah? Then, here, this is our 11 treatment sessions, so servants, so, no? Here, pinubre na kanya ko, There, no? Atong tanahon is about nga, wani siya, no? Kanang 4 kilograms, no? 4 kilograms there, no? So, gitimbang na to ni siya sa timbangan, no? Here, gitimbang na to siya. Mauni, ibutang sa kamot ni Cho, no? By which nga, makapalakaw na ta, no? Makapalakaw na ta here, no? Again, this is about 4 kilograms. Again, so, ibalik ta ka, ini ka, no? Ini-start na mo again.